With this video, let's start talking about event planning. And you might think, well, event planning should have been one of the first things we talked about. And
this video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
I would agree. And the reason I didn't cover it first is because I wanted to cover things that are more fun first, like making money from events, promoting events, getting attendance, and growing your events. And that's why I covered those things first. So now let's talk about the practical things, event planning. And planning starts with really your goals. What are your goals for your events? Goals can be, you might need to funnel clients into an existing business, or you might want to turn your event series into an actual business. And how you run the events and how you plan for them and how you structure them really makes an impact on the outcome. So your goals really dictate how you're going to structure everything. And in the coming videos of this section, we're going to explore all the thinking points and all the aspects for how to plan your events so that you achieve your goals. In this video, this is just an introduction to this whole new section that we're going to cover on event planning. So another goal you can have is to position you as a thought leader, as an influencer, and that can get you a lot of things like get you jobs, get you sponsorships, get you recognition, maybe help you sell other products, things like that. And the other thing you can do is you can have a goal of maybe just creating one big event, maybe a fundraiser or something like that, and just blow it out of the water and make it very successful. Or you might want to create a regular event series. And so we'll talk through all the considerations of how to achieve these goals in the next coming videos.